We are at CityVille Estate today. This is the drive-in. This is the gate. This is the entrance of CityVille Estate in Centenary City Enugu. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anozie, and on today's video, we're doing an update of this estate. If you remember very well, you know that I've done a video of this estate a couple of months ago, and today we're just here to give you an update on what's happening right here in CityVille Estate Enugu. CityVille Estate is directly behind El Shama Estate, which is just beside or just after Jedediah Estate, right here in Centenary City. Just about, say, 3 minutes drive away from the road, about a minute drive from the estate entrance gate, and you can see it's developing. A couple of people have bought already and are already putting up their structures right here in CityVille. Yes, the estate is still building, it's still developing. However, like you can see from this video, it is fast developing. A plot of land here currently going for 30,000 naira per square meter. Alright, so that means if you're buying a 500 square meters, which is a typical plot of land here, it is at 15 million naira. And you can see those houses beside there, those are El Shama Estate. That is El Shama Estate, and is sharing the fence. You can see those houses there. This particular estate, CityVille, is sharing fence with El Shama Estate, and people are already living in El Shama Estate. You can see there's a lot of work going on within this estate, a lot of work. So in a couple of months, definitely some people will begin to live. It will be habitable enough, okay, and the road will be done. Don't wait any longer. This estate is selling out, and of course the price is going up. You can see development, people are building. All right here in CityVille, we have 500 square meters, we have 700 square meters, we have 800, 900, we have 1,000 square meters right here in CityVille, and it's 30,000 naira per square meter here. So we're just driving out now, and I thought to just show you the road, just to show you how close or the proximity of this estate to the third road. So just come along whilst I take you on this jolly ride. If you remember clearly, a few months ago, a square meter here was selling for just 9,000 naira. So for a 500 square meters, then you could get for 10 million naira. And as much as people haven't begun to even move in, like people haven't moved in yet, but you can see that the value of this place is going up. That's the estate gate. To my right is Diaspora Estate. Yes, to the right there is Diaspora Estate, which is selling for 20 million naira right now. You can see people are building. This is the road coming to the estate, and you can see the road is being worked on right now. Like they're already trying to get the road tarred and everything. By the time this road is tarred, these trees, the flowers, the trees are built, you know that this place will be worth way more than this. Now this is El Shama Estate. You can see El Shama Estate, you can see the DSTVs, you can see the ACs. So people actually live in El Shama Estate, and El Shama shares just a fence with CityVille Estate. Okay, so just the fence, you can see it. This is El Shama Estate to my left. Okay, then opposite El Shama Estate is the popular Jedediah Estate. All right, where a lot of people actually live currently. So just enjoy the ride whilst we drive out of here. To the right, okay, so directly opposite this road now is a police station. So there's a police station directly opposite this road. That's a police station over there, just directly opposite this road. So you can see this area is totally safe and secure, and people live in Jedediah already. People live in Jedediah, people live in El Shama. There's power, there's water, you know, within this area, and fast developing. This is Centenary City Enugu, which is just about 10 minutes drive from the government house and Independence Layout, about 20 minutes drive to the airport. You know, that is El Shama Estate to the left there, and Jedediah Estate to the right. So this is El Shama Estate, which is fully occupied. In fact, a plot of land here currently goes for between 25 to 30 million naira. Currently, that's if you find. And in Jedediah Estate, the same thing, which is on my right. So you can see that this place is amazing. So go ahead now and call me on 0809 6737 668. I'll call it again, 0809 6737 668, and let us discuss about CityVille Estate. We're going to bring you on a free inspection, and then you can come see for yourself and select your plots. All right, so I come your way again. I'm Anozie. Enjoy a productive day, and bye for now.